Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going over designing the front cover of my design journal. Well, whether you call it a learning diary or a design journal, it's an integral part of every designer and design student's lives. If you're an aspiring design student, make sure you watch this video till the end to get some aesthetic ideas on how you could be doing up your design journals in the most creative and fun way possible. If you're already a design student, I hope that you watch my video, which I'm going to link right here, and go over it in order to understand and get some ideas on how you could be doing your learning diaries in the most creative fashion possible. I am told by my students across all NIFT centers that these learning diary videos that I've created in the past have actually been shown in classrooms on projectors. So guys, when I say it, I mean business. I really do mean business. तो ऐसा है कि I have personally always enjoyed doing a lot of craft work, right? And although the items that you see here in this video are all sort of sourced from Vietnam on my last trip, these are also things that you can print out yourself and use yourself. These are things that you can create on Canva and then print them out and use them for your design journal covers. Especially if you're doing, say for example, a topic on history of art and fashion, or you're doing a project on art appreciation. You can take inspiration from the era that you're focusing on, or maybe multiple eras, and print out exactly what you need and then tear them and create an artistic design journal cover for yourself. For me personally, I have always had sort of a more inclination towards floral, aesthetics, soft pastels, and that's sort of the design language that you're going to be seeing here, so no points for guessing. But yeah, if you have like a different style, you can go ahead and follow that. The idea is to play a lot with your elements that you have in hand and then toy around and see which works the best, which looks the best. Your learning diary is essentially a proof and also a documentation of the entire process of learning while you were working on a certain project. It allows you to store and keep all of your data and research on a certain topic in one place. And trust me when I say this, even if you're in your first semester right now, when you reach your 8th semester, there will be times that you will look back on these same journals, these same diaries, and seek inspiration. And you know what? An 18-year-old Shivangi used to think very differently as opposed to a 21-year-old Shivangi. And that's the impact that learning diaries have on you as a design student, because your learning for the same topic will change and evolve so much over a period of 4 years that when you reflect back and look back through your artworks, you would see a lot of difference, and you would also see how you have grown as a designer, or maybe you'll see the same similarity and see certain points which remind you of your design voice as a young budding designer. So go ahead and play with your covers. One of the things that I personally enjoy doing is before I start sticking things together, I like to sort of play around with various elements and see which is working the best. I have linked this video in the beginning of the video as well, but I'm going to link this again here just in case you want to go ahead and learn and see like different kinds of learning diaries that I had made in college over the years. And trust me when I say this, these learning diaries have been used, replicated, and they have been showcased at various NIFT centers. I've gotten pictures of these learning diaries being shown on video on projectors from my students, which means that if you follow it through, you're on the right track. But having said that, I hope that as you embark on this new adventure of designing, you find some benefit and some worth in this video. If you would like for me to create more videos on learning diaries and how you could create interesting ones, please let me know in the comment box and I'd be more than happy to help you guys. Thank you for watching.